Welcome back to Osseo Fitness Collective. The following video is looking at mobility through the knee joint. It is part of a rehabilitation program to restore optimal function back into the knee joint, but also to keep it moving post-injury.
The first exercise is knee extension. Again, the knee is a hinge joint and therefore we need to regain extension post-injury, as this is one of its main vectors of movement. How we conduct this exercise is we're in a seated position, gently move the legs out into a straight position and then relax down. We are aiming between 10 to 15 repetitions on this particular exercise. The second exercise is knee flexion. Again, wanting to regain full range of motion within the hinge joint, we need to regain flexion within the knee post-injury. What we do for this particular exercise is we're in a standing position, gently bring the foot towards the bum and then relax down to a straightened position. We're aiming between 10 to 15 reps of this exercise. Again, nice and slow and controlled on the movement. We are now moving on to a bodyweight squat. Again, we're wanting to build the muscles around the knee joint and regain full range of motion. For this exercise, we're gently moving down into a squat position, holding for a second and standing up again. We want to ensure there is no external rotation through the knees and the knee and the ankle joint are in line. We are aiming between 10 to 15 repetitions of this particular exercise. Finally, we are moving on to a resistance bike. We want to ensure that the saddle is at the same height as the hip joint. We want the bike at medium to low resistance, aiming for about 10 minutes, 3 times a week. What this will enable is increased mobility through the knee joint, as well as strengthening the muscles around the joint.
Thank you for watching our YouTube video. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also follow the link below to our website.